New tyre day today. We're going to get ourselves some new tyres, but the garage I'm using uses loose wheels, so I thought I'd take this opportunity to do a little video and show you how I take off the wheels. So we're going to start at the front. I'll show you what gizmos I use, what tools I use, and I'll show you how I remove the wheels. As you can see, I've already got her up on paddock stands, which is essential for this job. She's never going to do it without paddock stands. Then we'll go from there. So speak to you in a moment. So first job's going to be remove the mudguard. Need a T20. T20 spanner for that. Screwdriver. Next job's going to be to dislodge the brake calipers both sides. Here and here, 13mm bolts. So we'll just crack them off. So next job, you need a T45 and you need to undo these two pinch bolts this side. They don't need to come all the way out, just to loosen them, because they are literally just pinch bolts that hold the axle nut in. So there we go, that's them loosened. So next job, 24mm hex bolt in here. Just use a bar to get it started. And that's it, job done. So that's how I remove my front wheel. Once I've got my new tyre on the rim, I'll show you how to put it back on. So we're back from the tyre shop. Now set a mixing room 5s. Look at them. Beauty. We're going to stick them on. So, see this ring here? This is the speed sensor ring for the ABS, which needs to be on this side of the bike. So just remember that when you're putting them back on, to get it on the correct side. Anyway, let's get on with it. So, job number 1. Put the wheel back into the hole. There we go, and we put the axle nut back through here. Again, with the big driver, we should spin that up. So this time when we finish, we need to tighten this to the correct torque. So I've now just got to go and fetch the torque wrench, have a look in the manual, and we'll do this up to the correct torque. Back in a moment. Right, so we've now got the torque wrench. There's a scale on the bottom here. We need to put this to 50 Newton meters and tighten this till it clicks. So we've set it to 50, we've tightened the bolt at the bottom. Right, that's now tight to 50 Newton meters. Right, now that's in. Next job is these clamp bolts. These are done up to 19 Newton meters. So we'll just nip them up first, just get them into the correct location, and then we'll torque wrench them to 19 Newton meters. I've got two either side on mine, so I'm just going to double check them with the torque wrench while we're here. So that's the pinch bolts on up both sides. Now we're just going to put the brake caliper back on, do them up to the correct torque, put the mud guard on, and that's the front wheel finished. So we're just going to pop the calipers back on. I'll put all the torque settings for all these on the screen as I do it, so you can see them. Just nip them up, get the torque wrench on in a moment. So we've now got to torque the caliper mounting bolts. There you go, to 38 Newton meters. So we set the scale on the torque wrench. We'll just do it up to the click. And there's 1, 2, and then the same the other side. If you remember at the very beginning, I took the mud guard off just to give me some better access, so now that's the last job to do. That's it, job done. So there we go, that's a nice quick little video on how I remove my front wheel. Again, I'm no trained mechanic, I do this just from the experience I've gained over the years of tinkering with my bikes and reading Haynes manuals. So all my torque references have come from Haynes manuals. Very simple manuals, you can buy them all over the place. I'll put a link down below to the one I've got from Amazon, I believe it was, or eBay. You can get them from any good stockist really. Anyway, hope you enjoyed that, and I'll see you again soon. Ta-ra.